Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery on an Audi A6 key fob. Start by finding the small release notch and pry the key fob open with a flat plastic tool. Remove the old battery carefully and take note of the polarity. Insert the new CR 2032 battery with the positive side up, press the two halves together until they click, and test the key fob buttons to confirm function. In this video, I will show how to replace the battery on an Audi A6 key fob. Start by aligning the pry tool with the seam and gently twist to open the case without forcing it. Work slowly around the edge until the two halves begin to separate, then lift the top cover away. Keep the circuit board and any springs secured on a cloth so they do not fall out or get lost during the swap. In this video, I will show how to replace the battery on an Audi A6 key fob. With the case open, gently pry out the old CR 2032 and avoid touching the board contacts. Place the new battery positive side up, press it into the holder, and ensure it sits flush. Reassemble the fob, pressing the halves together evenly until they click. Finally, test lock and unlock functions from a short distance to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.